Welcome back, fellas, to this new video of TechSpress. Today, in a very easily way, I'm going to be showing you how to get started or cost with if you're selling simple products and you wanted a custom, wanted to buy immediately, you can add a add to cart button directly to your collection page, also known as the quick add, dramatically speeds up the buyer journey and boost and post purchases. So first of all, we need to navigate to the theme customizers. So here, what I need to do is to go here into my online store, click into the option that says theme, find the theme you want to edit and click into the customize options. If there's an actual theme that you would like to try, you can always go all your way down. Choose, for example, the element that you would like to use for your website. For example, let's say the ritual, and I hit for the option that says add. Or if this is the first thing they're going to be using into your website, just go for the option that says add, and automatically will be appearing inside that. Once your new theme has now been successfully installed, it might be appearing here the option that says published. So what you just need to do is to choose the website that you're going to be adding, in this case my current theme. What I'm actually doing here is to delete themes that I'm no longer going to be using at the moment. So I just remove them and I stick around only with the one that says ritual. So I look out for the option that says published, and this one will be appearing now into the upper side. Once you have now successfully done this process, it is time now to focus directly into the upper side. Let's go for customize. Inside customized, in the drop down at the top, change the view from the home page for collection, default collection. Now look at the left sidebar. What you wanted to do is to click on the section blocks that says product grid, of course inside this element. So here's my collection, and if you don't see the product grid, you can add them, of course, here into section, and I can just look out for a collection list as a grid like this one. So here's my actual Shopify collection. So it's the main area controlling how the items are displayed. What you want to do is to scroll through the various settings options for this section. You're looking for a checkbox or toggle related to quick buying, which it might be appearing into this new option. So look for the option that says enable quick add button or show quick buy that you might be seeing around in here. So if you don't find it, you can always go all the way up, look out for buy, and key it into generate. Let's say I wanted to generate quick buy button, and it says generating the code, and here's the actual section. If the button looks good, click into save into the top right corner. The changes is now live. What I might be doing here is to select here the code that was generating for me. I'm going to put this all my way down into my collection card. So I might be seeing here my button of buy or purchase directly where it says shop by collection. I just need to wait till the AI is making the generation of my document. So what about product with variants? So a really important consideration if a product has variants like the small, medium, large, the simple add to cart button. When a customer clicks the quick add button in a product with variants, the theme typically displays a pop-up window showing the available sizes and colors. So ensure the quick view pop-up is active. Most modern themes handle this automatically, but if you don't like the pop-up, you can change the settings to direct the users to the full product page instead of showing the actual button. So take that in mind, really important. And what I wanted to do is to put this all the way down and to, or let's say below the shop by collection. So here's my actual quick buy button. So if you sell products where 90% of the people buy the same variant, you can set this as a default of your product settings, allowing the button to work without the pop-up, right? So usually here the quick buy button shows the actual instructions, which is add those follow-up instructions, add these 3 items or the one on the collection to the cart. So what's going to happen here is that this specific link is going to be using these 3 collection types, and you can add them directly into your quick buy elements. Now there's an actual more easiest solution, and usually this happens for the differentiation of your the current theme that you're going to be using, because there are themes that already have this option that you can just select the quick buy elements and you can get them into your current theme. But if you don't, you can use the artificial intelligence of the actual element of the Shopify, so you can have this in a very easy way. So guys, it's a very easily element. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools how we can get started with these elements. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you guys next time.